Okay, so today we're making pickled eggs, and I just took some eggs out of this. Like, I would suggest you buy the large egg, 18 eggs, because if you buy 12, you might end up using them all, and you just need to make sure you got some for your household. So I just took some eggs and I'm boiling them. I don't know how many I have. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Looks like 11 in there, and I'm gonna place them in there. Now the longer you let them sit in this jar, the pinker they will be, the better they will be. But I'm just starting them from scratch because I looked on YouTube and there's no damn video on this. So I was like, I'm gonna do it, show y'all how to be ghetto. Here y'all go. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm gonna turn these off. They've been boiling for a while now. Take them off the stove. Turn this on, put some hot water, some cold water in there. Alright, then I'm gonna let these sit for a while. I'll be back. Alright, so we're going to take our peeled eggs and transfer them over to the hot sausages. Just drop them in there. Now get those eggs deep down in there, because the sausages are already pickled. So I'm gonna let this sit for most of the day, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Alright y'all, so they've been sitting for about a few hours. I'm gonna say maybe about 4 hours they've been sitting. So let's see how they turned out. Let me go ahead and open this. You can smell the eggs. Let's see. Grab an egg. Let's grab an egg. Not a sausage. An egg. Alright. Y'all see how pink it is? Look at it. That's our homemade pickled egg. Alright, look at it now. Let me turn this around so y'all can see. Okay, look at us. Homemade pickled egg. So let's see how it tastes. Let's see how it tastes. Look at that, y'all. Wow. Look at that. It's good, y'all. It's real good. And the longer you let it sit, the more pickly it becomes. So, if you like pickled eggs or you want to try pickled eggs, this is definitely the way. Now that's good. That was real good. Only tips I have for you is when you buy your hot sausages, make sure that you eat down some of the hot sausages or give them away, whatever you want to do. Because all the hot sausages that normally come in here won't fit with the eggs. So it got to be half empty. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next one, peace.